Assalamu alaikum students of class 7. Welcome to your lecture of English. This is your teacher Ms. Aisha Salim. Students, in today's lecture we are going to do the worksheet of our active passives perfect tenses. So open your worksheets. Here is the worksheet. First of all, you all what you have to do, that you all have to put date and day on the top. Okay, it is compulsory that you have to put the date and day. Okay, now I'm going to revise the concepts of active and passive voice, then we will do the sentences. Okay, in active and passive voice we have to do three changes that are obvious in every type of active passives. And the number one change is of the subject will be take the position of object, and object will be take the position of subject. Okay, we have to interchange the position of subject and object. Then we use by, and the third one is we use third form of verb. Now in perfect tenses, with these three changes we all have to put been. Okay, BEEN, been. So here is the worksheet of active passive voice perfect tenses, and today we are going to do this. Okay, you all have to do this as a classwork, and make sure that you don't have to send me your worksheets. Okay, I will check it in our physical classes. Okay, let's start with number one sentence. You have visited Karachi twice. Now the first rule is interchange the position of subject and object, then we will use third form of verb, then we will use by, and the fourth rule is that we have to use been. Okay, so the sentence will be like this: Karachi has been visited by you twice. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मेक श्योर दैट आपको जब आपका पैसिव वॉइस आप बनाओगे तो आपका ऑब्वियसली जब आपका सब्जेक्ट चेंज हो जाएगा सो आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब उसके अकॉर्डिंग लगाना है. फॉर एग्जांपल इन द एक्टिव सेंटेंस यू कैन सी यू हैव, यू के साथ हम हैव ही यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, बट हमने जब इसको पैसिव में चेंज किया है तो हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्ट था कराची वो हमारा अब बन चुका है सब्जेक्ट. सो दैट इज़ वाई कराची के साथ तो हैव नहीं ना हम पुट करेंगे, कराची के साथ हम हैज़ पुट करेंगे. सो दैट इज़ वाई कराची हैज़ बीन विजिटेड बाय यू ट्वाइस. ओके, नेक्स्ट, he has not sent a telegram to her. So now a telegram is an object here. Okay, and he is a subject, so we have to interchange the position of the subject and object. So the sentence will be a telegram. Now again he के साथ तो has लगता है, telegram के साथ भी has ही put करेंगे, has not been. Now we have to put third form of verb, sent to her by him. Okay, so the sentence will be a telegram has not been sent to her by him. Third one is it is an interrogative sentence. Has he laughed at them? Now them is an object, he is a subject. We have to interchange the position of subject object, and then we have to put the helping verb. So it's a interrogative sentence, so helping verb will be at the start of the sentence, and we have to put the helping verb according to the subject, according to our new subject. Okay, so they is our subject now, so we will put have here, not has. Okay, have they been laughed by him, and a question mark. Understood? Okay ji, so these three sentences were of present perfect tense. Now it is an example of past perfect. आपको हैज़ हैव का यहाँ पर पता लग गया होगा कैसे पुट करना है पैसिव में. अब हम पास्ट को देखेंगे. So the sentence is we had attended the meeting. Okay, so students, you all know that in perfect tenses has, have और had तीनों के साथ हम थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं. So यहाँ पर थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब भी है, और वही थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हमने पैसिव में भी यूज़ करनी है, बिकॉज इट इज़ द रूल कि पैसिव बनाते हुए हमने थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज़ करनी होती है. सो सेंटेंस विल बी meeting is the object, we is the subject, and we have to interchange the position. So the meeting had been attended by us. We will be changed into us. ओके, सो इस तरीके से आपने पास्ट परफेक्ट का सेंटेंस करना है. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके, सो हियर इज अ सेंटेंस, आई शैल हैव फिनिश्ड दैट book. Okay, so book is a object and we will make it a subject. That book will. Okay, now students, I के साथ तो हम shall use करते हैं, but in the passive sentence our subject will be changed. Okay, so उस subject के according हमने helping verb लगाना है, as I told you before. So that is why the book will, that book will हो जाएगा, shall नहीं लगाएंगे. Understood? That book will have been, will के साथ, will shall के साथ यहाँ पर have लगता है परफेक्ट सेंसेस में. सो हम लोगों ने वही have साथ में नीचे भी लिखना है पैसिव बनाते हुए. तो सेंटेंस विल बी that book will have been finished by me. Okay students, so I have told you about the 5 sentences. The others will be done by your own self. Okay, अब ये वर्कशीट आप लोगों ने मुझे सेंड नहीं करनी है. इंशाल्लाह I will check it in our physical classes. Do it as your classwork. Okay, so students, this was all for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.